Hello guys, hello from Kyiv. Today is 21st of March 2026 and I am on Mikhailivska Square in central part of Kyiv. And also on this square is exhibition of Russian military vehicles that were destroyed by Ukrainian military forces and territorial defense during first stage of Russian invasion in February and March of 2022. And here you can see infamous drone. They started to attack us with drones like this in August of 2022. They have opportunity to carry 50 kilos of TNT, but sometimes they launch dummy drones in order to distract our air defense system during combination attacks. Geraint 2, you can see inscription in Russian, and this is engine of the drone. Here was a propeller, and this is a very primitive engine, but these drones are able to cover more than 1,000 kilometers, and nowadays they attack us with hundreds of drones. This is very big trouble for us because of war is lasting for 12 years in Ukraine, and full-scale invasion started 4 years ago. And before 2022 it was hybrid war, and they tried to disguise that war before full-scale invasion as some kind of civilian war. It is obviously it is nonsense. It was a Russian special operation, KGB, and they lie every time when they move their lips. Guys, we need your support, moral, financial support, and your understanding what is going on here in Ukraine. Because of this war is not a war between Russia and Ukraine. It is insidious attack Russia nuclear monster against independent peaceful country of Ukraine. Please subscribe my channel, and you will learn more about life in Ukraine, about this war, and about history of Ukraine. Because of I am Kyiv guide, and I conduct tours around Kyiv itself and around Kyiv district. And in front of me is Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine, and here is Mikhailivska Monastery and church. Thank you for your support. Slava Ukraini!